Hey, what's good, y'all? Welcome to my Caban Studios. My name is CEOJAY. I'm a film director, photographer part-time, creative director, everything, and this is my studio space.
CEOJAY is famous for shooting videos and content for Nigerian Afrobeat artist Adekunle Gold, Spotify, Rema, New Balance, and also shot and directed one of the hottest singles of last summer for La Branca titled People Check on Me. Enjoy the interview I had with him at his Brooklyn, New York studio. Enjoy.
So how did you meet AG?
So I met AG in 2021. 2021, I did a personal content for my Instagram and I posted it and I used the song Sinner, and at the time I posted it on Twitter and he saw it, he liked it, reposted it and DM'd me that, oh, this is beautiful, that he loves my work, and I DM'd him back and I told him how much I love his music and this. And since then, it's been beautiful, man. It's been amazing.
And you've been busy.
And I've been busy. Yeah, I've been working with AG like very much. We built a chemistry, built an amazing how do we say it?
Rapport,
connection. Yeah, so yeah, it's been really dope. I actually just came back from tour to Tequila. I did Tequila ever after tour. And yeah, it was mad. It was insane. Watch out for more stuff coming. Yeah.
So what type of contents do you shoot for AG?
So I do like AG's social media content. Basically like all kind of contents, to be honest. Music videos, social media content, YouTube content, any content that you can think of. And also I'm kind of like the head of like content. So even though I didn't shoot the content still come to me.
So you're more like the creative?
Yeah, so like a creative director. So the contents come to me, I review it, I approve it, kind of a thing, then it goes live. We actually just dropped one today, which is Party No Dey Stop remix, and it just went live, so that was beautiful. Let me show you around. So so this is like my sitting area, a little comfy couch. I have a little blanket to cover myself if it ever gets cold. This is like my sitting chairs area. I have this fireplace prop. I keep my cameras on there. Nothing crazy. I have a TV just in case I get bored. And these are like my set designs. It's like a draping fabric. You can drip it down. We actually shot Adekunle Gold's tour intro in here through this draping fabrics. It was really dope. And over here, shooting area, of course. I have like these color tinted windows. It's really amazing, like around 8 a.m. to like 11 a.m. like the sun come through it and it gives like really like dope colors all around.
What was it like for Adekunle Gold's new album? Like how was the content push out? How many did you push out?
So for Tequila Ever After album, we actually started filming since last year. So when the album started last year, April, I started filming. I started like documenting the process. Then I think AG didn't even come up with the name yet, or like it was just I was just filming. So filming every day. It was even during Ramadan. I was filming every day from last year April to this year April, actually. I was filming from April to April.
How many videos in total did you edit for that project?
In total, we had over like 70 content.
Wow.
So we had like each episode for each song. So instead of it to just like push out like a regular video to just like post, we actually labeled like each song an episode.
So an episode more like a documentary style?
More like a documentary style, yeah. So there was a AJ and See Me episode, which was Look What You Made Me Do. There was a Wrong Person episode with Odumodu Black. There was a episode with Pharrell Williams and Now Rogers. There was another episode in Miami. Yeah, so it was just like episode on episode until the album came out. So we started dropping episodes since beginning of July, down like that. So it was tough, but we did it.
We made it happen.
Yeah, we made it happen. So yeah, actually, I tried to do that for the tour, to I tried to do like an episode of like every team on the tour, but I couldn't keep up. So that didn't really happen as much as I wanted it to, but it was still something. So yeah.
Apart from Adekunle Gold, which other artists have you been for of recent?
So I directed People by LiBianca, Video of the Year. It was nominated for Video of the Year. It was nominated at the VMAs. I worked with Spotify with Rema. I did Manny Wells. I did Jaden Smith. Who else? I don't even know at this point. But I think that I've pretty much done a lot of stuff and I've worked with like a lot of like Afrobeat artists in New York too. Prince Lucas, The Lockboard The Vibe, Fadi. Sheesh. Yeah, my head is all over the place right now. But yeah, a lot of Afrobeat artists, mainstream, all streams. So yeah. A hanging area. Just I have my own clothing brand. It's not a clothing brand, but just more of like a community starter brand called Pioneer Members. This is one of the samples of the shirt. This is actually like my fit. I actually did this yesterday. Coming up with a concept. It's really nice. So it's amazing. This is my friend's brand, Ofona. She's also my producing manager. My production manager. This is her brand. So yeah, I have my people's thing hanging around. So yeah, some of my equipments that I use, tripod, stands, everything. And yeah, I love to check myself out. Got 3 mirrors just in case, one is tricking me. I check the other one. And this is my camera, one of my cameras. It's a Sony A7S III. I use this bad boy to shoot almost everything. Run and gun, documentaries myself, anything. And this is my Super 8. I really love shooting film. So I shoot film on this. This is one of the lenses, 24-100. I have my red camera over there. My laptop. Yeah, basically that's it, man. Everything you think of can be done in here, like everything. If I show you like the work that we've done in here is amazing.
So apart from directing and being a creative director, what other businesses do you run or manage?
I have 3 businesses in total. One more is on the way, and I have my production company. I have my studio space, and I have like my artist management platform, Caban Studios. So my studio space, we're in my studio right now. And my artist management platform is like a live session platform that I work with a lot of artists on. I interview them. I let them like put out like their music in a live session way, but in a very creative way. You know what I'm saying? Instead of like just the normal mic backdrop, I listen to your music, listen to the story behind it, and create like a set and a visualizer for it. So that's Caban Studios. Check it out. It's really amazing. And yeah, that's basically it.
What should people be expecting and looking forward to for the future, and what are your future plans?
So definitely there's a lot of goals. There's a lot of like box to be ticked off the bucket list and stuff, but definitely greater things, incredible things. Looking forward to working with a lot more people, greater people, bigger budget, bigger cameras, you know what I'm saying, bigger productions. So yeah, definitely look out for like more incredible stuff, more defined and more like put together videos, and more artists on Caban Studios. We actually just had with Chan, Mologo, and Black Bones. We did like a live session for them, and yeah, more artists, more stories, more videos, more businesses, meeting more people like my guy behind the camera. So yeah, that's it.
So on a final note, what advice will you give to young aspiring or people who have been procrastinating about being videographers, photographers, or just coming in general into the creative field?
My advice is just shoot. You know what I'm saying? Just take your camera, shoot, and don't think too much about it. Always be consistent as much as possible. You're gonna have rough days, you're gonna have good days, you're gonna have incredible days, but just keep your head straight, keep doing what you do best, learn, listen to people, talk to people, meet people, collaborate with people, make money, you know, just keep your head straight. They're gonna be down days, they're gonna be up days. That's just the industry. But most importantly, just shoot. No matter what it is, just shoot. The studio is on Peerspace, you know. I'll definitely put like the Instagram link also, so you can check it out. Peerspace, you can book on Peerspace. You can reach out to the man behind the camera. You can even get a discount if you reach out to him. So yeah, Peerspace if you want to book the studio, if you want to check the studio out. Brooklyn, New York. Peace out.